Yeah, welcome back. If you noticed in our last class, whenever we insert a product, we did not get the notification. There was no notification to tell the users that the product has been added to the database. So in this video, we want to show you a way to tell the user that a product was successfully added to the database using JavaScript to do that, sending notifications. So let's get started. I'll go to my VS Code. I have already documented the code base for you. I'm going to send the code to you and also show you how to go about it. The first thing you need to do is to go to your CDN to get your jQuery. You need your jQuery CDN. Already I have the jQuery CDN. So this is the code. I'm going to copy this CDN, jQuery CDN, and the Toastr CSS. I'm going to copy this. You can see that is the Toastr CDN. So I'll copy this and return back to my Visual Studio Code. I'll paste this code for you in the description below. So yeah, I'll come at the top of the header. I'll paste it here. So this is the jQuery CDN link, and also this is the Toastr. The Toastr is the Toastr. That is, the Toastr is what we're going to use for what displaying the alert pop-up. So the next thing I'll do, I'll go back to that notepad of mine, and I have this code written in JavaScript. This code is what will enable the Toastr to perform. Let me paste it here and show you what I'm talking about. So I'll go to the bottom of my code, the welcome.play.php. Before the closing tag of the body, I'll paste that here. So let me format it for you to see better. So I'm going to format it. Okay. Now this code you are seeing here, you can see the toastr.js. This is a JS file for the toaster. So if it has a message and there's alert type, we have different type of alert type here. We have the info, the sources, the error, we have secondary and the rest. So if it's an info, display this message. Info is going to be sky blue. If the message is sources, display Toastr sources. If the message is a warning message, display Toastr warning. This is just a switch case statement in JavaScript. So after doing this, I'll go to my product controller. Now this is our product controller. We inserted data into the product model, so we need to display a notification to the user telling them that they have successfully added this to the database. So this is the comment I have written here: notify the user that the product has been successfully added to database. So I'll go to my notepad, then I'll come here and get notification to that effect. So this is the notification. I'll copy the notification here. This is what we tell the user that they successfully added product to the database. I'll paste it here. So here, this is an array. It takes two items, which is a message and alert type. So message, I'll just come here and write product inserted successfully. Then the alert type, I want it to be green. That's why I put sources. Then we should go with notification. This variable called notification. Either we put return back. So this will be with notification. So let me save all, and let's see if this is working. I'm going to save all, then go to my browser, click add products. So let me add another set of products, and let me add a phone. So I'll call this Samsung. Category electronics. Price. Click on add products. Brilliant. So you can see products inserted successfully. So how you can see that. So let me add another product again so you can see it where. So I'll come here and add another product. I'll call this bag. Then product name, babe bag. Category fashion. Price. Then I click on add products. So you can see our notification is working, and you can see product inserted successfully. So guys, thank you very much. I'll see you in our next class.